speaking of houseplants, which is something I know a lot of people have brought in during this pandemic time, let's talk about them.
and there are so many new houseplants, and again, it's not your grandmother's houseplants. And there's some new dracaenas, new sansevierias, new calatheas, and ferns that are evolving. But for people that are just starting, it's important to know some definitions. If you're a beginner and you're really busy and you have at least a bright light source, you can easily grow cactus and succulents. Succulents are very easy. Now, if you're really busy and you only have low light, and low light is not any direct light. There's zero direct light. The ZZ plant and the sansevieria, snake plant, or newly named dracaena. And then if you tend to overwater things and you tend to take too much care, ferns and calathea, they can take a little bit more moisture, and they'll do okay with that. And so those are good choices for that. Great. And then, so consider your environment. Mm-hmm. So bright light, definitions on these things, because people struggle with this, because everything says, ooh, wants a bright light. Well, bright light is a sunny, southern, west-facing window that gets actual sunlight coming through it and actually hitting the leaf. And consider where your plant's from. Consider, that'll tell you how much sunlight they'd like to take, if it's an under canopy plant, or if it's actually generally a plant that grows out in full sun. And they should receive at least 6 hours of full sun to be a bright light. Good plants for that: jade, cacti, succulent, aloe vera, loves a lot of light too. Indirect light, there's east facing or a north window where the light comes in but it doesn't touch the plant. Mm-hmm. And those again are the calathea, alocasia, monstera, which monstera was the plant from Call the Midwife, where she gets a giant plant. Mm-hmm. And that was the monstera, easy to care for. There in the picture. And then philodendrons also, they can tolerate low lights. They'd like a little bit more light to have more growth, but they'll tolerate it. Mm-hmm. And then low light. Now low light is really no light. And then in our winter here, because we don't the sun is so much lower, and so is the light, and so we just don't get as much light. And that is north facing, and then plants will tolerate it, but they won't grow. And they're not going to grow fast. They're not going to grow. But if you can keep it alive, not overwater it, then that I would count as a success. And peperomia, ferns, pothos, snake plants, they can tolerate it. And those are pretty hardy plants anyway. And so that's, again, where you're going to want to start with maybe those for somebody that's just starting.